immaculate looks like now?
I've been Googling it.
Oh, okay.
When we were talking about it, I didn't really know what they were, but I'm like,
okay.
Where did you buy them?
You have to like buy them like they're plants. You can't like order them off of Amazon.
Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Okay. They're weird. Why are they so weird? They're just strange. They look like little aliens.
You're on speakerphone.
Am I on speakerphone?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Stop, Devin.
Hello, Emily.
it's just me and Emily, so you're fine. Right.
Well, you two have fun on your trip, and then we'll do that when you get back.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, talk to you later.
All right, bye.
All right, guys, it is day 2 of the travel experience. Oh my God, everything's like falling.
It's not
It's not we are currently in Nashville, so we like made a stop, drove from Madison to Nashville. Now we're gonna get brunch somewhere and try to find some murals and explore Nashville a little bit, and then leave like early afternoon to get to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, which is where we're gonna be the rest of the week. So that's the game plan right now. We're all still surviving, probably thriving at this point after some sleep. Yeah, see you later. Exploring Nashville. No, we just ate brunch at Pancake Pantry, and now we're exploring Nashville for a little bit. You're like, yeah. Got the stadium for Tennessee Titans. Got this cool walking bridge. Got, I don't know, all this stuff. Our first cool mural, kind of, that we accidentally found. Cool. I mean, they were, but the other ones would be more like forced to find. This one is kind of just like found. Kind comments. Yes, girl.
That's a trail.
I think we should do the Trillium Cap Trail. I think. Oh, point 1. Call her a day.
That's the trail, and then I think this goes back to the road. Yeah. Walking across rocks and logs. Most terrifying thing I've ever. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Sorry.
This is literally what we've been hiking up next to the entire time so far. It's great. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, nothing at all. But I can't remember the words. Made it! Oh my, yep, we got it.
It's all it took, it's all it took.
Oh my God.
Like, it's really pretty.
That's crazy that we actually kept moving while we like saw a waterfall.
Oh my God.
Instead of stopping like these idiots out of us.
We're from Ohio.
Oh God, nope. That explains it all. Explains it all. Did we decide, are they going to be elk? Because it said elk crossing.
These are elks.
Found some elk. Look at them, just chomping away. Like, what? Hello? Sorry. Sorry, Julia. Look at, you can reach out and you can bite your hand off. There's another guy right here.
Only that this drive was
Okay,
gonna,
yeah.
like, kick us on
Look
a...
at this guy. Oh, look at him move. There aren't even any park rangers here. What was so much better about that other guy? Hi. Hi.
It's almost like a citrus.
Yeah, it reminded me of like a grapefruit. Alright, so we are chilling at a brewery right now. We tried to go to one that's closer to our place and it was very touristy and we weren't really fans, so found this place like an hour away. Yeah, it's pretty chill. They have a taco truck out back. Yep, that's the update. Alright, baby, time for some Bojangles up in here! Yeah! Wow, I don't know what that accent was. Yeah! I was just too excited.
Oh my god.
Alright. Oh, okay. Famous chicken and biscuits. We got our half-gallon of iced tea. We got, oh, this is tiny!
For 4?
For 4?
This is the South. I thought they went... That might be butter.
Oh, that might be, but JK. This is mashed potatoes. And then, wait, do we have utensils or anything? Excuse me?
I don't think you really need
Okay. How is it?
I like it. It's kind of spicy, but it's good.
All right.
Oh, we found
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
What?
You like, oh, there you go. You can kind of see, we have all the mountains. Oh my god. All right, day 2 of hiking. We have this gorgeous view, oh my gosh. We have Liz, Julia, Marissa. How are we rating this hike?
Chill. Okay, that was pretty
It's pretty chill.
It's paved, so that's nice.
It's paved. Yeah, we have the
It's paved. I can actually look up.
all there.
Yeah.
Yeah, doing good. After this, finding the best fried chicken is what's on the menu.
Are we children? Yes.
Cool. Made it.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Did you get a nice bologna sandwich?
Bologna sandwich? Yum! Well, everyone really enjoyed this. Great. Yes. We've literally spent all week trying to find Wi-Fi, and we ended up. The best Wi-Fi is literally out in the middle of this like area. Oh, we do have to be alert. Oh, hang on, soon. Be alert for bears as we're watching. All right, it is currently Thursday, right? Thursday. Yeah. Okay. And we are off to hike again. Wow, that was a very long yawn. We are going to Middle Prong. I always forgot the name of it. Middle Prong Road, Middle Prong something or another. It's a nice little hike, about an hour away. We're driving through the mountains again to get there. Very scenic. We're going to Middle Prong Trail. So, see you there.
booter flies.
Cool. Brook on this side, stream on the other. String cheese? Cheers? Yeah.
So different.
So yeah, we've normally been driving in like very wooded areas, but right now we are in a very open field with like mountains. You can't really see it that well, but oh, we got ourselves a river that we're driving through. Okay. All right. Well,
at this point we're stuck going forward. Like we can't go back.
yeah. We good, I guess. Dang. Shoot, dang. What is it called? Kate's Cove. Alright, bring it in.
Please. You're so cute. You're like, oh.
Just chilling back there. She's like sliding back and forth depending on the views.
I think it's all angels just walk by. If you lose, boo-hoo, hey, look what I made it. Look what I made it.
Now, next up on this channel, nature walk. Come on. Come on for the nature walk. Stop here. Now, let's see what we see.
Look at those things.
What things?
On the ground.
On the ground? These things? Oh, these are pretty neat. I think they're roots.
Really?
Probably because the way they are. Look. More nature! That's pretty neat. I mean, look at all this pretty for nature. Look at my skin is crying. It thinks it's so pretty. Wow! Look at all that water. It just flows from there to there. Wow! That's pretty neat. Look at, we can even do some rock climbing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You can go behind it. That's pretty neat. Look at that bad boy. Alright guys, our last segment on nature with Emily. Come on over. Look here. We have two trees. They're basically buddies. No, that's pretty neat. You always need a friend when you're out in the wilderness because safety first. Emily signing off with Nature with Emily. See you next time. We are going up there to walk a bridge that's right there. What? Hey Liz, you want to tell us what that is?
It's a bridge 680 feet long.
Yeah, what's special about it?
It's the longest suspension bridge in the U.S. Pedestrian suspension bridge.
Pedestrian.
Its
That's
foundations
pretty
are
cool.
over 1 million pounds, which is a lot, obviously.
It's a whole lot of.
Look at that guy.
At least they're stabilizing it.
Look at this view.
Isn't that neat?
Ain't that neat?
If I look down on those, that's where I'm standing. Where that's how you throw the fence.
Okay, and we're safe.
This place, Mad Dogs, go here. So good. Got a Boston cream too. Got a little creek. Emily approved for sure. You guys, it's our last morning, but we found a bear. Wait, where'd he go? There you go.